Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the system safe and accessible. Kill ignition and disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts. This protects the meter and you. Once done, remove the seat and left panel to reach the cluster. You need clear access. Use a screwdriver to undo the 2 cluster screws and gently pull the unit forward. Make sure to unclip the multi-pin connector straight out. Do not twist. This first access reveals the wiring and meter backplate you will inspect next. Now you dive into troubleshooting. Inspect the wiring harness, connector pins, and solder joints on the meter PCB because loose or corroded connections are the usual culprit. Use a multimeter to verify 12V supply and a solid ground at the cluster connector. Without these, the RPM meter won't move. Next, backprobe the pulse/ignition wire while the engine is cranking to confirm you have clean square pulses. If pulses are absent or weak, trace back to the ignition pickup coil or CDI connector and repair accordingly. Finish by repairing any faulty connections. Resolder cold joints on the PCB, replace frayed wires and bent pins, and ensure a clean, clamped ground. Once repaired, reassemble the cluster and reconnect the battery. Start the bike and observe the RPM response at idle, and while revving, you should see immediate movement. If the meter still fails, swap with a known good gauge to isolate the cluster versus pickup coil. One troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, wiggle the connector while running to reveal hidden breaks or loose contacts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.